Hello everyone. Welcome to Manu Law Classes. So the admission open for our dropper batches. That is, if you want the notice of this batches are available on www.lawentrancindia.com. Now our number, you can reach out on the 9971444054. So let's start with the DI quant based lecture. This is quant lecture. So we are starting with the DI, which is based on speed, distance, time. So I hope you have seen my lectures in the classes, that question based on speed, distance, time, right? So let's start. The basic is speed is equal to distance upon time. Now I'm directly going to move the DI question. The DI question is based on this graph. The given graph shows the speed in kilometer per hour and of 2 person while traveling by different vehicle. If Vijay completes his journey by bus in 2 hours, then what is the total distance traveled by Vijay in his whole journey? So the question defines a graph in which the speed of Karan and Vijay, 2 persons are there, Karan and Vijay, their speeds are given. Means if they travel by car, its speeds is there. They travel by bus, means the speed of different vehicle is given, right? Now the second graph about the table shows the percentage distance traveled by both Karan and Vijay by different vehicle. Means vehicle by car, bus, train, bicycle on foot, and Karan covers 24% of total distance by car. Vijay covers 25% of the total distance by car. So this is the table format, right? Now let's see the question. If Vijay completes his journey by bus, in 2 hours, then what is the total travel by Vijay in his whole journey? Again, Vijay completes his journey by bus in 2 hours. Again, what is given here? Time. Time is given 2 hours by bus. Correct? Now, can we find out the Vijay speed of bus? Right. Vijay speed of bus is this. Means it is 55. Right. Means it is speed of the bus is 55. Speed of the bus is 55 kilometer per hour. Now what we can do the next is, we can easily find out the distance, right? We can easily find out the distance, correct? So how to find the distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. As we know that speed is given 55 and time is given 2. So the total distance covered by him by bus will be what? By bus is 110 kilometer, right? 110 kilometer, correct? This is 110 kilometer. I hope this is clear. Now the question is, what is the total distance traveled by Vijay in this whole journey? Now this 110 travel by bus. Now Vijay travel by bus. So Vijay travel by bus 21%. Is it clear? Now this 21%, according to table, this 21% tends to what? This 21% is equal to 110, right? So 1% is equal to what? That is 110 upon 21. So 100% is equal to what? 100% is equal to what? Now we can easily find out this question. Is 11000 upon 21, correct? Now you can divide it by this. Again, this is 5 times 2 and 3. That is Vijay in his whole journey travel 523 kilometers. Means that what is the total distance traveled by Vijay in his whole journey? That is 523 kilometers, right? Option B is the right answer. Means again the approach is very simple. The level of the CLAT examination is actually up to this level, right? You don't worry about the data. You don't be in the panic state when you see the data, right? The question was very easy. Now moving to the next question. Karan travels 432 kilometers by train. Then what is the total distance traveled by Karan through bus and bicycle together? You take your time. Now Karan travels 432 kilometers by train, correct? Now current travel, that 432 kilometer is what? 27%. Is it clear? Now 27% is equal to 432 kilometer. That is very simple. Now then 1% is equal to 432 by 27. 432 by 27, you will get 16. Is it clear? So 100% the distance covered by current is 100% is equal to 1600. Is it clear? This is fine. Now further it says the distance travel by current through bus and bicycle. So by bus he cover 18%, bicycle he cover 20%. So by bus and bicycle 18 plus 20%. So again easily we can find out the 18% of 1600 is what? 18% of 1600. How we'll find out? Look, 10% is 160, 20% is 320. Okay? 20% is 320 and 1% is 160. Right? 16 means 32. It means 320. 20% is what? We can write it like this: 20% minus 2%. Correct? 20% is 320 minus 2%, 1% is 16, 2% is 32. Correct? This will get 288. Is it clear? 288. This journey is 288. Now here it says 20%. Again 20% is what? That is very simple. That is 320. Again add these both values. We'll get the answer. 8. Right. 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 608 is the right answer. Option D. Quite easy one. I hope this is clear to you everyone. Any doubt you have? 608 is the right answer. Now come to question number 3rd. The question number 3rd says, if current travels 432 km by train, then what is the total time taken by current to travel by bus and bicycle together? Right. Now the total time. Again, what if we have done? Initially we got the from the previous question 1600 km travel by current. Right. The distance travel by, from the previous question we can 1600 km travel by current. Now this 1600, it's the question is what is the total time? Again the total time. So first what we have done, we have find out the distance. So distance by bus, right, distance by bus and distance by bicycle. Distance by bus and distance by bicycle. Now distance by bus we got is 288 in the previous question. The question was same. Now by bicycle we got 320. Correct? Now this is, we know that we have to find out the time. What is the total time? So T equal to D by S. This is distance. Speed of this bus is what? Speed of bus of current is 40, right, divided by 40 plus 320 by bicycle is, that is 25, right, divided by 25. What we will get? 288 divided by 40 will get 6.4 plus divide 320 by 25. So we will get approximately 12.8. This will be the 12.8, right? Again you will get addition of this 8 for 12, 2, 1, 13 and 16, 19.2, right? 19.2, option C is the right answer. Correct? Fine everyone. Now come to the next point. These are the simple calculation. I think you all can do this. If Vijay completes his journey by train in 5.75 hours, right? Vijay completes his journey in 5.75 hours. So Vijay completes his journey, this is time is given. Again T is equal to 5.75 hours. Then what is the average distance traveled by car, bus and bicycle? Again the important point, if he travel by, the time given by train is 5.75 hours, so speed is also given. Speed is what by train? Vijay speed by train is 60, right? Again easily we can now see here the calculation. Distance is equal to what? Speed into time. So speed is 60 and time 5.75, we can write 5 plus 3 by 4. Again this is the important trick. Instead of 0.75 I can write down 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4 instead of, this is 3 by 4. Again this calculation is now very easy. How is it easy? That means what we have done, 60 into 5, that is 300, plus 60 into 3 by 5, 15 into 3, 45, right? This is 345. Again 345 is what? The distance. 345 is the distance traveled by Vijay. Distance traveled by Vijay, correct? Distance traveled by Vijay and by train, correct? Distance traveled by Vijay by train, that is distance by train. I can write it like this. Now further it says what is the average distance traveled by him, car, bus and bicycle. Again now it's very easy. We are talking about Vijay. Vijay by train is 23%. Now this 23%, this 23% is what? 23% is 345. 345. This 23% is 345. 1% will be, you will divide it, it will be divided by 15, right? Then 100%, the total distance by Vijay is 1500, right? Now it says the average distance he travel by car, bus and bicycle. Now in this is the 100% he travel, means in 1500 he travel by car, by Vijay travel by car 25%. Again you can do it orally, 25%. Again 25%, 10% is 150, 20% is 300, right? And 5% is 75, means 375. 375 by car, correct? Now the second, car, bus is what? 21%. Now 20% is 320, 1% is 15, right? So 315 by bus. Now bicycle, by bicycle he travels 16%. 10% is 150, 5% is 75 and 15 into, again you can do one more method, 15 into 15, that is 225. 225 plus 1% is 15, that is 240. 240 by bicycle. Is it clear? 240 by bicycle. Now it's like the average of all these three. So add all the distance and divided by 3, means adding all the distance, what we will get? You can see the answer, that is adding all this value will get 930. 930. This is 930. Now 930 by 3, you will get 310. 310, option B is the right answer. 930 divided by 3, that is 310. Option B is the right answer. Fine. So that's for today's session. This is the DI based on speed distance time. Thank you for the session. I hope you like the lecture, and if any doubt you can write in the comment, or anything you like, please like and subscribe to the Manu Law classes. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.